Hey, Caitlyn.
Hi.
You're so weird.
I know, right?
Push. It's a car. There's a car.
There's a car. There's a car.
It's raining.
Bro.
It's raining.
It's raining. It's raining.
Old man a story.
He went to bed. He bumped his head. I don't know the rest of the song. Puddle.
No. Again. We do this. Again. 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 Whoa. It's a puddle. Won't you get your shoes all wet again? Oh yeah, we gotta make hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Caitlyn, what if we just like keep slipping on the grass? Oh, I gotta catch up. There's a car. It's gonna run me over. Again?
Puddle. It's cold out here.
Oh, Caitlyn. Caitlyn. What, kitty cat don't like the weather?
No, kitty cat hates the weather right
How could you hate the rain? I like the rain. Why'd you slip and break your neck on that? Squeaky.
Oh, raindrop in my
Do remember the videos of the stalkerish, the pictures at Burger King with my Aunt Clara?
They're stuck. Hi. Nice weather, huh?
You're so weird.
Hate the weather. It's so cold. See, when I flap, it keeps me warm.
What, you a bird? I dare you to jump off that. Be a bird. Hey, yo!
What? Hey, that's a bud. Harry Potter one.
Fun in the rain with Caitlyn. Whoa! Not like that. Hey, Caitlyn.
What's a Harry Potter?
Caitlyn. Wah! Oh no. My shoe.
What's a Harry Potter spell?
I don't know. I poked my shoe off at Caitlyn. Now I'm trying to get it back on.
You know that IDEK thing? On YouTube? The guy?
I think so.
He's like, hey guys, I got a name. Hogwarts. And it's like, oh, that's good. And it's just him or whatever playing all these different characters. And it's funny because they're talking about how like they got the name Hogwarts. And he's like, it just sounds like some sort of like gonorrhea. I mean, who wants to go to a school named Hogwarts? And it's so funny because he's like sitting there and, ooh, no.
Whoa!
Anyways, that was I'm easily amused.
Oh, Caitlyn, are you amused by this?